After launching Poco M6 5G back in December last year, the company has now launched the 4G version of it globally, with quiet cool-looking design. Now let's take a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Poco M6 4G features a tall 6.79-inch Full HD Plus display, with up to 90 Hz refresh rate, and up to 550 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Helio G91 Ultra chipset, paired with Mali G52 MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 6 or 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, that can be extended up to another 8 GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 or 256 GB of onboard storage, which is expandable up to 1 TB via hybrid microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Poco M6 sports a dual camera setup on the rear that includes a 108-megapixel main camera with f1.75 aperture and a 2-megapixel macro lens with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 13-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.45 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 5030 mAh battery, with 33 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 14 out of the box, with HyperOS skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone also features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, NFC, IR blaster, 3.5mm headphone jack, FM radio, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 168.6 by 76.28 by 8.3mm, and it weighs around 205 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Poco M6 4G will be sold under early bird sale for a limited period of time at a price of $129 for 6GB plus 128GB storage variant, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage option will be priced at $149. The smartphone will be available for purchase in black, purple, and silver color options. So, what do you guys think of this Poco M6 4G smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.